Have you ever felt like your vision is fading, leaving you frustrated and unsure of what to do next? Many people struggle with blurry vision, eye strain, or fatigue, searching for a solution that seems just out of reach. It's a common issue, but it can seriously impact your daily life, making it hard to enjoy activities you once loved. You might have tried various home remedies or over-the-counter solutions, only to find they don't deliver the results you hoped for. These DIY fixes can be time-consuming and often leave you feeling disappointed, as they might not address the root cause of your vision concerns. Enter VisiumPro. This supplement is designed to support your eye health with a unique blend of natural ingredients that work together to promote clarity and comfort. What sets VisiumPro apart is its focus on nourishing your eyes from within, helping you feel more at ease in your daily activities. Clinical studies show that some of the ingredients in VisiumPro can help maintain healthy vision and support